Alright guys, I haven't made a video in a while, so I'm just gonna refill this. Got me some new fluid the other day at the old Wally's, I think. Where did I get this Wally's? Yeah. Boink. Ta-da! Haven't used this like, oh, I quit smoking a while back, so when was that? A couple years ago? Oh, okay. Not bad. So I haven't filled this thing up in a while, and there's like no fluid in here. Get in there. There we go. Drop that back in there. I know half of you guys are probably like, yep. Just put a new flint in there. Guess what? I don't know where my flints are, so otherwise I would have. Yep. Let's do that. Flip that old thing up there. Try not to spill it on the table like I do. Fill this puppy up. Put that back down there like that. Usually it'll start dripping out the bottom. If you hold it up, like I'll fill it up and I'll start seeing a little drip sometimes. Then you know you got her a little too full. So right here I think is just fine. Check it out. Ta-da! There you go. That's how you refill your Zippos.